I'm a job in it all.
Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. If not, welcome back. So I received a package today from this new company that I'm working with, and I always get excited when I receive a new package, especially when I'm working with a new company. So here's the box.
Come on. Bye guys. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
And I'm opening it. So inside the box, I receive this package, and it's Passion Twist Hair 18 inches tension. Okay, I don't see the name of the company, but I think it's YOUNGTHER or something like that. I'll put it in the description. So they sent me some crochet hair. So apparently they saw the video that I did doing my hair with this crochet. This was a DIY, so a lot of people were talking about my hair and how much they loved it. So I'm pretty excited about that. And also I'm excited to work with this company. This is the hair. Pretty stretchy and soft. So when I did these crochet, it didn't come already with the hook, with the thing that you can just hook the crochets in like this. So I had to make them myself, and I created a DIY video for that. So this came with 7 packs, I believe. I'm gonna show you all of the hair. And it's in the style T1B27, so it's like an ombre. And I'm getting out the rest of the hair. So as I said, 7 packs. I'm gonna put that aside, and we're gonna take a look at these goodies. Okay, so I received another crochet hook. I already had one, but it's always good to receive a new one or something extra. And next, I received some accessories, which is pretty cute. This is gonna be fun. I received a little mirror, which is pretty cute. You can put this in your little purse when you're traveling, so you can, you know, check your makeup, or, you know, put on some lipstick or whatever. And I also received these cute little 2 little duck clips, and it's in the bag. The bag is empty now, and I really like this hair. It's really bouncy. It's really bouncy, and you can see it starts out black, and then here's the, I believe the number 27. It's pretty cute. I like this hair, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun installing it. I'm thinking about turning this into a wig. Let me know what you guys think. If you want me to just install it in my hair, or you would like for me to DIY make your own crochet wig. And I never did the DIY make your own crochet wig. So if you guys do choose that, or whatever you choose, just comment down below, and I would do what's requested. So this hair is really, really pretty. I really, really like it. And I like the fact that it's like, you know, what you're gonna have to do is like, this comes with 22 pieces each. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yep, 22 pieces as stated. And it comes with 7 packs. And I got this from Amazon, as you saw on the box. And the hair is really pretty, and I'm so excited to do this. And my my thoughts on the install will be either making it into a wig or installing it into my hair. Possibly using the rubber band method again, or just, you know, first like braiding it on and then twisting it. I don't know, whatever you guys, I'm gonna let you guys choose. So you can either comment down below or DM me, or you can do both, which is fine. If you want to DM me on Instagram, my Instagram is at @TheRealAdeleDavis, and I'll put it somewhere on the screen. I know I've been away for a while because I was waiting for this package, and I was pretty excited on working with this company. And I really get excited when companies email me telling me, you know, requesting to work with me, or, you know, me doing a video for them. It's really exciting. So I'm willing to work with any new companies. That's really exciting. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.